After Opendoor's outstanding stock price spike captured headlines, relatively new property technology companies began to gain attention. One such company, which also makes fabulous use of a compound word for its name, is Linkhome, which is best known for its bespoke real estate AI model, delivered through its Home GPT, a model that's trying to streamline the home buying and selling process by also incorporating financial optimizations and their dedicated team of agents. Through its subsidiaries, Linkhome's AI real estate platform offers services like real estate brokerage, a cash offer feature, property rental management, and home renovation, all aimed at making the real estate experience efficient and affordable for consumers. Since its subsidiary, Linkhome Realty, was formed in 2021, the company has seen substantial growth. Even by the end of 2024, its platform had facilitated over $185 million in agent brokerage transactions. Currently operational in California, the platform supports a growing network of users seeking comprehensive property solutions. The past 3 years have shown a clear demand for Linkhome's AI-driven approach and real estate solutions, reflected in the company's transaction volumes growing from $15,438,435 in 2023 to $48,566,719 in 2024. By the end of the first quarter of 2025, the platform surpassed more than 25,000 active listings for residential properties, a figure made possible by the draw of Home GPT, advising users who value the interactive home buying advice provided by Home GPT. The company believes it has only begun to tap into the potential of artificial intelligence in real estate. Its future plans include expanding market share, launching the platform in dozens of cities, and broadening its product and service offerings. The goal is to establish Linkhome as the largest and most trusted platform for residential real estate, empowering millions of Americans to more easily achieve homeownership. Beside Home GPT, there's the cash offer product, which integrates AI with financial technology, more commonly called fintech. This tool analyzes market trends, property valuations, and buyer preferences to help users find matching properties quickly and make informed purchase recommendations. In competitive markets like Southern California, Cash Offer provides a solution to the challenges buyers face by offering full cash payments, making offers more attractive. Linkhome achieves this by purchasing the target property for cash and then selling it to the customer after they secure financing. Although the Cash Offer tool is still in its early stages, with only a few transactions completed, the company believes it has the potential to significantly enhance the home buying process. Following Linkhome's IPO, it now expects to have the capital needed to expand this service, positioning itself for growth and potentially transforming the real estate industry through the combination of AI and fintech. The real estate industry in the U.S. is vast, accounting for nearly 18% of the country's gross domestic product. With over 4 million homes sold in 2023, totaling over $1.5 trillion in transactions, the industry generated approximately $98.6 billion in commission revenue for real estate brokers. Linkhome aims to capitalize on this massive market by leveraging AI to transform the real estate experience, estimating AI can generate $110 billion to $180 billion in value for the industry. However, the real estate sector faces challenges like structural inefficiencies and a lack of uniformity in brokerage services. Potential homebuyers are often overwhelmed with scattered property data, making it difficult to navigate and analyze effectively. The conventional home buying process is also marred by challenges such as competitive bidding, lengthy loan processing times, and a disjointed experience due to multiple service providers operating in isolation. Linkhome's platform centered on Home GPT takes on these challenges by attempting to deliver a seamless and on-demand home buying experience, allowing buyers to chat with an AI chatbot to answer questions, search for homes, and calculate mortgage requirements. For agents, the platform helps out by giving useful insights like home price prediction and investment advice. For sellers, Home GPT provides precise pricing advice, generates detailed property descriptions, and simulates furnished interiors to elevate the property's appeal. Beyond the AI, the fintech part of Linkhome's platform offers the aforementioned Cash Offer product, allowing clients to make competitive offers without relying solely on price competition. The company believes Cash Offer will significantly enhance the competitiveness of its clients' offers, enabling them to secure their desired properties more quickly. Linkhome also offers a flash sell feature, allowing homeowners to receive a competitive cash offer online and sell their properties quickly. While its trade-up product enables clients to buy and sell homes in a coordinated transaction, avoiding the hassle of finding temporary housing and dealing with storage concerns. Linkhome's goal is to provide a one-stop solution for real estate transactions, offering tailored financing, bespoke renovation services, comprehensive property management, and extensive third-party insurance options. The company believes its business model is designed to disrupt the traditional model of finding and buying a home, providing a fast, simple, and consistent user experience. With its proprietary financing technology, efficient home selling experience, and large-scale real estate transaction infrastructure, Linkhome is confident in its ability to expand rapidly into new markets and maintain its competitive edge. Moving ahead, the funds raised from its IPO will be put towards expanding the Cash Offer program and further develop its platform, a move that's intended to reach a highly scalable business model and create a strong competitive edge. The crux of the growth strategy is increasing penetration in the Southern California market, expanding into new markets across the United States, and broadening service offerings to become an all-in-one property platform. The company aims to attract more homebuyers and sellers as its recognition grows, leveraging its existing presence in Southern California to increase market share. With plans to expand into major markets nationwide, Linkhome believes its business model is scalable and adaptable to different regions. Aside from geographic expansion, Linkhome is looking to enhance its service portfolio to introduce additional services such as title insurance, escrow and mortgage services, home insurance, property management, and home maintenance services, all with the goal of further simplifying transactions and supporting customers throughout the entire real estate process. Linkhome is also developing a digital one-stop moving experience in order to improve on their vision of a seamless and comprehensive solution for its clients. Attention will also continuously focus on developing AI and improving user experience. For marketing, AI will also be put to use in a multi-channel approach, using AI algorithms to target customer interests for precision ads. The company engages in comprehensive digital marketing, utilizing platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and X for video and social media marketing, paid search advertising, targeted email campaigns enhanced by machine learning, and online and offline seminars are also key components of its marketing efforts. These strategies allow Linkhome to engage audiences with compelling content, build trust, and educate customers about the complex and competitive real estate market. Being able to reach a wider customer base will be crucial to compete with traditional offline real estate brokers and agents, as well as internet-based brokerages and companies with new business models. Linkhome believes it competes primarily based on its efficient AI online chat capabilities, financial innovation services like Cash Offer, website and mobile application traffic, agent recruitment and retention, service costs, consumer awareness, innovation in AI. Linkhome sees itself standing out through this combined AI and financial innovation with a competitive edge. By focusing on these areas, the aim is to differentiate itself and establish a strong presence in the real estate market. For more on Linkhome and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.